Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon and Oragon Basketball League present OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magarao Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, TGCB Volleyball Sorsogon, Unc Greyhounds, Arriba Iriga, Tiger Men's Volleyball, PMC Health Defenders, Suyan Baao Volleyball Club, OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel. Powered by PLDT. Presented by DLP Printing Services, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Safe Gas Station, Daily Gold Philippines, Cancer Eye Center, Uma Hotel Plus Residences, Agala Glass, Naga Optical, Kanakman Vice Mayor JJ Abante, University of Santo Tomas Legazpi, AD Sportswear and Apparel, Universidad de Santa Isabel, Respol Dental Clinic, Hardshed Hardware and Construction Supply, BCC Lloyd Supermart, Massive Builders System Incorporated, Carmelos, Just Brew, Claypot Restaurant and Cafe, Bad Guys, Chicken Run Boneless Fried Chicken, Motomo TV, Locus Construction and Supply, Digital Graphics Advertising, AAT Ads, Jag Sportswear, Tiger's Cafe, and Lemon Residences.
Good afternoon, Bicolandia, and welcome to our second match dito sa Season 1 ng Oragon Volleyball League. Makakasama niyo po ako, Rick Puerta, and beside me is 𝐎𝐽𝐽 to give you all an update dito sa loob ng hardcourt. Again, makikita natin dito ang bakbakan between the TGCB Volleyball Sorsogon versus the Magarao Power Spikers. So tutok lamang dito sa Oragon Sports TV for more update dito sa ating liga.
Good day, Oragon sports fans. Welcome to the very first ever seasons of Oragon Volleyball League. I am 𝐎𝐽𝐽. Again, thank you, Rick. I am your commentator for this afternoon against match of the debuting teams between the Magarao and Sorsogons, and these debuting teams are very first time to stepping on the OVL stage, and both squads are very hungry to win.
Yes.
And we will see later on if who will make a stronger statement in this historic opening, Rick.
Yes, talagang aabangan natin dito because again, this is the first season of Oragon Volleyball League. So, new teams, new faces, and new action inside the court. Again, Magarao versus Sorsogon, dalawang team na talagang magpapakilala dito sa atin sa Oragon Volleyball League. So, abangan natin dito kung sino ang makakakuha ng kanilang unang panalo dito sa araw na ito. At makakasama natin sa ating side, court side, ang ating dalawang napakaganda at napakagaling na courtside reporter. We have Barry Bless Eliza Belen together, or rather, Casey Anchokya and Dylan Talagtag na mag-ahatid sa atin dito ng update all throughout this match. So, in a while, magsisimula na ang bakbakan between these two great teams. So, I'm so excited. And I'm sure sa ating mga team bahay na nakatutok sa ating Facebook page, we have the GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, and Oragon Basketball League page. And also, sa ating YouTube channel, we have the GNN TV 48 Naga. Talagang aabangan din dito ang bakbakan between the Magarao and the Sorsogon, and knowing na itong dalawang kupunan na ito talagang batak na ito sa ating mga liga when it comes to volleyball. So let's see kung sino ang makakakuha ng unang panalo dito sa dalawang kupunan.
Before we move forward, we would like also thank the watchers or live audience, especially watching the official Facebook page of Oragon's Volleyball League, Oragon Basketball League on their official Facebook page, and of course the GNN TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV. And we are live actually in that TV. You just type in the TV the 48.1 GNN Naga. But of course, this is very exciting kasi sabi ko nga kanina, Magarao and Sorsogons are rookies in this OVL, and
yes,
this their very first time to join in these leagues. But at this point, we will hear the update or interview with Casey Anchokya on the side of Magarao Power Spikers.
Thank you, Yuji and Rick. At marhay na to, Oragons. Nagbabalik tayong muli para sa ating second game of the day between the Magarao Power Spikers and TGCB Volleyball Sorsogon. This is Casey Anchoquia, your courtside correspondent on the side of Magarao Power Spikers. And to know more about the team, here with me is Coach Rachel of Magarao Power Spikers. So, Coach, good afternoon po. So, can you tell us po kung paano nag-start ang Magarao Power Spikers?
Our team started way back, matagal na kasi medyo combination naman kami ng mga veterans player and at the same time mga baguhan ngayon. So actually meron kami ngayong 4 na guest player kasi medyo fresh pa or medyo young pa yung team namin kasi we are not experienced when it comes to a bigger venue in terms of competition. So ayan, may 4 kaming players. Actually yung kasi dito is yung ibang players ng Magarao is dati ng players sa collegiate level. So naka-experience na rin pero yung iba kasi medyo bata pa. So yun yung composition ng team namin as of today.
So ayun na, Coach, nabanggit mo na po yung mga veteran players and yung mga bago nyong players. So sino-sino po sila at nang malaman na ating viewers na kung sino yung ating abangan na sa team?
Yung namin, yung open spiker namin which is Apolinario and yung setter namin which is Carlos Gajero. Yun yung aabangan nila kasi medyo veteran yung dalawa. Pati na yung middle and yung utility namin.
Ayan, Coach. So lastly, I'm giving you the floor to shout out and invite the supporters of Magarao Power Spikers, especially the municipality of Magarao na nanonood dito sa ating live stream.
First and foremost, I would like to thank the local government unit of Magarao for giving us the opportunity to participate in this first ever open men's volleyball sponsored by the OBL, to our mayor which is Attorney 𝐴𝐴 together with the Sangguniang Bayan and all our sponsors, and also to the Magarao National High School for allowing 2 of my players also to participate with the team. And shout out po sa Magarao Gays Association and to the amazing LGBTQIA+ of Magarao.
Thank you so much po, Coach Rigel. And then we are now ready to deliver another rally of action and excitement on the court. Kaya sit back, relax, and get ready to witness volleys, spikes, and rallies that will keep you on the edge of your seats. Kaya tutok lamang dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Yuji and Rick.
Ayan, thank you so much, Casey, for that interview and update on the side of Magarao Power Spikers. So according to Coach Rachel, talagang this team is a composition of both veteran and student athlete para dito sa kanilang kupunan. So talagang aabangan natin dito kung kanino mapupunta yung magandang spotlight inside this hardcourt because yun nga, na sabi dito ni Coach Rachel na may 2 veteran dito na dapat abangan, their setter and their
Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon and Oragon Basketball League present OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magarao Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, TGCB Volleyball Sorsogon, Unc Greyhounds, Arriba Iriga, Tiger Men's Volleyball, PNC Health Defenders, Suyan Baao Volleyball Club, OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel. Powered by PLDT. Presented by DLP Printing Services, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Safe Gas Station, Daily Gold Philippines, Cancer Eye Center, Uma Hotel Plus Residences, Agala Glass, Naga Optical, Kanakman Vice Mayor JJ Abante, University of Santo Tomas Legazpi, AD Sportswear and Apparel, Universidad de Santa Isabel, Respol, Daily Gold Philippines, Cancer Eye Center, Uma Hotel Plus Residences, Agala Glass, Naga Optical, Kanakman Vice Mayor JJ Abante.
Yes, at nagbabalik nga tayo dito sa loob ng ating venue, Holy Rosary Minor Seminary. And yun, babalikan nga natin dito ang ating courtside reporter on the side of TGCB Sorsogon kasama ang kanyang may interview. Dylan, what's your update?
Oragon Volleyball League Season 1. I am Dylan Valenciano Talagtag at ako ang maghahatid sa inyo ng maiinit na updates on the side of Sorsogon. Today we will witness a matchup between two teams who are both hungry in winning but only one team will arise. The Sorsogon has its 6 national players who are going to bring pride for the team. Ngayon makakasama natin live na live ang isa sa playing coach, Coach J.Nald. So magandang araw, Coach. So Coach, this is the first season of Oragon Volleyball League. So ano po ba yung unique na may aambag ng team at Sorsogon?
Bale po, kami po sa Team Sorsogon, marami kaming members and itong dala po namin, bale ito yung mga available sa members namin and ipapakita po namin kung gaano at kung gaano nakalayo yung volleyball sa Sorsogon and yung teamwork po ng team namin sa 4 years na pagsasama-sama po namin.
So Coach, ano po ba yung andala nating pampaswerte o anting-anting since this is the first matchup of the season?
Siguro po yung pinaka-anting-anting namin, bale yung suporta ng mga Sorsoganon para sa team namin. So yun lang yung dala-dala namin dito, ipaglalaban namin yung mga nagso-support at patuloy na tumutulong sa team namin po. Yun lang po.
Salamat Coach and good luck. Thank you po, Coach. So, from the land of Kasangayahan, the Sorsogeños are now ready to step up with their mindset of playing harder and fighting stronger. Handang-handa na magpakita ng bakbakan at magpakitang gilas at kakaibang lakas. Once again, I am Dylan Valenciano Talagtag reporting on the side of TGCV Volleyball Sorsogon. For more updates, stay tuned only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Eugene.
Thank you, Dylan, for the update of the TGCV Volleyball Sorsogon. Sabi nga ni Coach kanina, even this volleyball league, both teams are mixed with veterans and youth, and we will see on this later on paano nila i-execute na even mix up sila with the players.
Yes, talagang aabangan natin dito yung pride ng Sorsogon, and according nga sa sinabi dito ng kanilang playing coach na si jersey number 11, J.Nald Heloso, talagang ipapakita dito yung pride ng isang Sorsogoanon. Talagang ibibigay nila dito yung 100% para maiuwi ang unang panalo dito sa ating Season 1 ng OVL. Talagang aabangan ang bakbakan between these two teams, Magaraw and Sorsogon. And yun nga, in a few minutes, magsisimula na ang ating matchup between these two great teams. Set number 1, sisimula na para dito sa araw na ito.
Okay, we're seeing on the screen on the left side wearing the blue and white jersey, a team built for strong fundamentals, and they are also known for the ready to spike when it matters most. When it's sinabi nila ito sa interview nila, and if you want guys to see or to watch their interview about their preparations, please watch the Spotify only here on the Oragon Sports TV, the Magaraw Powerhouse Spikers. And on the sides naman makikita natin dito ang TGCP Volleyball Spikers. When it comes to galing pa sila ng Sorsogon, and dito makikita natin kung ano yung dapat nilang patunayan, di pa partner?
Yes, talagang aabangan natin dito kung sino ang makikilala between these two great and powerful teams para sa OVL Season 1. So, magsisimula na nga dito ang ating first set. And I'm sure everyone is excited. At kanino mapupunta ang unang puntos? Pareho nga dito, blue ang kanilang uniform. So, let's see kung sino ang aangat between these two great teams. Great rejection at the net on the side of Sorsogon, and the first point will go on the side of Magaraw Power Spikers. Or rather, Sorsogon. Napakaganda nga dito ng depensa on the side of their team. Payong na payong dito yung opensa ni Suwayan on the side of Magaraw. So let's see kung patuloy ba ditong magkakaroon ng magandang momentum ang ating Sorsogon team, or will the Magaraw Power Spiker babawi on that first point error on the side of their team. Now, jersey number 10 on deck to serve, Azur, and a great setup to jersey number 3. Ball is still alive. Azur with that defense, Apolinar, and now Suwayan will try, and Suwayan will score. So magandang bawi on the side of Magarao Power Spiker.
On the service line, jersey number 3, Ambrog on the side of Magarao.
Again, Magarao on deck to serve. Great receive, back set, and catching the line, jersey number 6, Benedict Flestado on the side of TGCB Sorsogon. So 2-1 is our score. Seyman serving the ball and catching the end line. Back-to-back points on the side of Sorsogon.
Jersey number 6 on deck to serve on the side of the Sorsogon. Good receive.
Azur will try. Masyadong dikit sa net ang set na yon. That's why hindi nagawa ng paraan dito ni Azur na maitawid yung bola. Meanwhile, on the side of Sorsogon, back-to-back points on their side. Flestad again, one more time on deck to serve. Chance ball on the side of Sorsogon using his left hand, Hareño, and unsuccessful in that attempt. Apolinar to serve. Set up. The ball is still alive. One more time for her.
With black touch on the side of Magarao. Pero dito nakikita natin kung paano partner na-execute ng mga players kahit short receive ng teams nila. Once again on deck to serve, jersey number 4 on the side of Sorsogon.
Suwayan will try. Bantay sarado dito. Hareño will try on the side of Sorsogon, and a great attack coming from him. 6-2 is our score in favor on the side of Sorsogon. Jersey number 4, Españo. And too tight ang set na yon. That's why maagang regalo on the side of the TGCB Sorsogon, and back-to-back points for them. Wow. An early domination on the side of their team, but this time too strong on that serve. So, puntos ibibigay dito on the side of Magarao Power Spiker. So, Wayan to serve. Combination play was successful on the side of Sorsogon. Wow! Napakaganda ng ipinapakita dito ng kanilang kupunan. Sulit naman talaga yung binahe nila from Sorsogon papunta dito sa Naga City for that strong attack. And now Azur will try on the side of Magarao.
Napasobra
Yes,
si Azur doon.
too strong on that hit. So automatically the point will go on the side of Sorsogon.
Sorsogon with a service. But it's short felt, partner.
Now Esplana with that service error. So libreng puntos para dito sa ating Power Spiker. Azur to serve.
Great receive. Pero napasobra ng set sa side ng Sorsogon. But jersey number 3 answered with power fire back on that scoring.
Now jersey number 3. Great cross-court hit. Now Azur one more time to serve. Sorsogon on the attack. Jersey number 7, Hareño one more time with a hat hands on the side of their team. Hareño again to serve. Jersey number 3 on the side of Magarao will try, and successfully done on that hit. Nakita yung butas on the side of Sorsogon. Ball is still alive. One more time on the spiker on the side of Sorsogon. 1-2 play. Great pancake save by Esplana. Suwayan get that ball. Jersey number 12, 𝐏𝐻𝐒 set up. And the point will go on the side of Team Magarao. Jersey number 3. Set up in the middle. Back on the side of Sorsogon. Miscommunication, but the ball is still alive. Azur ups that one. Set up to jersey number 3, 𝐏𝐻𝐒. 1-2 play. Nabasa yon ng Sorsogon. And now jersey number 6 was dug up. Miscommunication and unsuccessful on the side of Magarao Power Spiker. The connection between Apolinar and 𝐏𝐻𝐒 is not enough on that last sequence. So back-to-back straight points on the side of Sorsogon. 11-7 is our score. 𝐏𝐻𝐒 pababawian dito ang kanyang spiker. What a great defense on the side of Sorsogon. 𝐏𝐻𝐒 to Apolinar, and this time gumana na dito ang middle attack on the side of their team. 𝐏𝐻𝐒 to serve. Poor first ball. Suwayan will try, and Suwayan will score. What a great effort on the side of Magarao coming from that hindi magandang first ball, pero nagawa ng paraan, and Suwayan with that powerful cross-court hit.
Great adjustment para kay Suwayan. And sa Sorsogon, powerful hit. Sumagot si jersey number 6 dito sa Sorsogon. And the score is 9-12 favoring on the Sorsogon side.
Oh, Flestado breaking down the wall on the side of Magarao Power Spiker. And jersey number 10 to serve. Payoga.
Great receive. 𝐏𝐻𝐒 to jersey number 3. A softball touch. And it was unsuccessful para sa Magarao dito. Yung adjustment nila, kailangan pa nilang i-compose para ma-convert siya into points. Again,
Now,
on deck to serve jersey number 10. Great receive again. Jersey number 3 on the block. Jersey number 6 ginawa ng paraan. What a dive by jersey number 1, pero regalo sa Sorsogon para kay jersey number 4.
now Espanyo with that great point conversion on the side of their team. So Sorsogon looking good para dito sa ating first set. Bayoga again. Jersey number 3, Abundo with a powerful cross-court hit. Napakagandang bawi on the side of Team Magarao. Again, Abundo to serve. Combination play. And someone touched the net on the side of Magarao Power Spiker. And I think it was Apolinar, so automatically the point will go on the side of Sorsogon. Now jersey number 6, Flestado to serve. Galvo with that first ball. 𝐏𝐻𝐒 back set to Suwayan. Soft touch and successful. Well, Suwayan very effective on the side of Team Magarao. Together with jersey number 3, Abundo. They need to step up big time here if they want to cut the lead na hawak dito ng Sorsogon. What a great attack para dito kay Hareño using the hands of the blocker. Now Sorsogon to serve jersey number 4, Espanyo. And straight to the net. So an error on the side of their team. Point will be converted on the side of Magarao.
Suwayan with a service ace. Ganda ng pasok doon ng service ni Suwayan and hindi dito nakuha ng Sorsogon team. Again, on deck to serve on jersey number 5, Suwayan. Jersey number 6, Harenyo, na masyadong napalakas yung spike nila dito. And again, the score is 14-16.
Too much angle for Harenyo in that last sequence. Now, chance on the side of Magarao to lessen this gap on the side of the Magarao Power Spikers. Suwayan with that jump serve. Harenyo will try and Harenyo will score. Wow, another through the block hit para dito sa Sorsogon. Ayaw talaga ditong palapitin ang side ng Magarao and they really want to end the set number 1 with a bang. Now Suwayan receiving that ball, Gahero, underhand set to Azur, but unfortunately 4 touches will be called on their side. Medyo mababa dito yung approach on the side of Magarao, courtesy of Azur. Now, let's see kung anong gagawin nila dito ang adjustment because again, Sorsogon is slowly pulling away on our scoreboard. Gahero, Jaws play, buhay pa rin ang bola. Pason, pababawiin dito si Azur. Harenyo, buhay pa rin ang bola. Gahero, back set to Abundo and successfully done with that pipe attack hit. Ito yung kailangan dito, Eugene, ng ating team Magarao Power Spiker para maputol dito yung momentum na hawak ng Sorsogon. They need an effective attack para makakuha ng sunod-sunod na puntos. And an attack error stepping on the line para dito kay Esplana. So automatically the point will go on the side of Magarao. Slowly but surely, Team Magarao is coping up. 18-16 is our score. Has Harenyo making an exclamation point on the side of Sorsogon. Wow.
Ganda ng pasok doon ni Mesa, yung middle blocker nila sa Sorsogon para makapag free spike or powerful spike si Harenyo. Again, Sorsogon with the service. Great receive. Gahero, the jersey number 4.
Great defense on both sides. Suwayan at the back. Great dig on the side of the Sorsogon. And too much power on that attack coming from Desalisa. Sorsogon on the attack in the middle. Great pancake save. Back on the side of Sorsogon. Pababawin dito si jersey number 6. But an attack error para dito sa kanilang kupunan. And with that, 1 point na lamang dito yung dapat habulin on the side of Team Magarao. Jersey number 23 to serve. For first ball, gagawa ng paraan and back-to-back error para dito kay Desalisa on the side of TGCB Sorsogon. And that's why their team magkakaroon dito ng substitution. Ombrog papasok dito. Let's see kung anong gagawin ditong impact on the side of their team. Ball is still alive. Ombrog will try. Andon si Azur. Gahero setting up Abundo. Soft touch. Bitin yung ginawang soft attack dito ni Abundo. Good intention but poor execution on their side. So the point is automatically on the side of Sorsogon. Jersey number 20 to serve. Mesa. Gahero. Pababawiin. And Apolinar on the side of the court, smashing that ball and making an impact and point on the side of their team. Gahero to serve. Bayoka to Ombrog, and a net violation was called on their side. Back-to-back errors on the side of their team. Too strong on that serve. And our score is 21 all. Wow, what a tight match. First set dito sa dalawang kupunan. Bayoka. Great serve. Wow, using the tip of the net. Services on the side of Sorsogon. 22-21 is our score.
Sorsogon on deck to serve. You know, Rick, both teams may be rookies in this OVL, but the intensity parang grabe, parang ayaw magpatalo ng dalawang koponan. And back to the hard court, Azur, ginawa ng paraan yung spike and jersey number 3.
Galvo with that dig. Back set to Esplana using the hands of the blocker and successful on that attack. Wow, Sorsogon. Napakaganda ng ipinapakita dito, and mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout si Coach Rachel on the side of Magarao Power Spiker because again they are behind by 2 points. 23-21 is our score for this first set.
But before we move forward, we would like to thank for the sponsor who made this possible. League OVL Season 1 is powered by PLDT, presented by Naga College Foundation, Kamzer Eye Center, Uma Hotel and Residences, Aguila Glass, Naga Optical, Kanakman Vice Mayor JJ Abante, University of Santo Tomas Legazpi, Kiddie Sportswear and Apparel, Universidad de Santa Isabel. Back to hard court.
Gahero to Suwayan. Great deflection, but the ball is still alive. Ombrog will shy. Suwayan setting up Apolinar. Ball is still alive. What a great rally para dito sa dalawang koponan. Back set to Esplana, and Esplana with that great cross-court hit, and Gahero couldn't contain that one. So the ball will go on the side, or the point will go on the side of Sorsogon. And now, the team of Sorsogon is now on the set point. So let's see kung tatapusin na ba dito ng Sorsogon, or will the Magarao Power Spiker will extend this set. Suwayan. Hindi dito na ipasok yung last attempt, so that the Sorsogon winning the set at number 1. 25-21 is our score, and we will be right back after the short break for our second set, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and Oragon Basketball League present OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magarao Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, TGCB Volleyball Sorsogon, Unc Greyhounds, Arriba Iriga, Tiger Men's Volleyball, PMC Health Defenders, Suyan Baao Volleyball Club, OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel. Powered by PLDT. Presented by DLP Printing Services, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Safe Gas Station, Daily Gold Philippines, Kamzer Eye Center, Uma Hotel Plus Residences, Aguila Glass, Naga Optical, Kanakman Vice Mayor JJ Abante, University of Santo Tomas Legazpi, AD Sportswear and Apparel, Universidad de Santa Isabel, Respol Dental Clinic, Hardshed Hardware and Construction Supply, BCC Lloyd Supermart, Massive Builders System Incorporated, Carmelos, Just Brew, Claypot Restaurant and Cafe, Bad Guys, Chicken Run Boneless Fried Chicken, Motomo TV, Dolcas Construction and Supply, Digital Graphics Advertising, AAT Ads. Jag Sportswear, Tiger's Cafe, and Lemon Residences. Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon and Oragon Basketball League present OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magharaw Power Spikers, Bad Guys, Chicken Run Boneless Fried Chicken, Motomotive Residences.
And we are back here sa loob ng ating venue for our second set at nakuha nga dito ng TGCB Sorsogon ang first set. So let's see kung patuloy na aarangkada dito ang kanilang kupunan or will the Magharaw Power Spiker bounce back from that defeat on our set number 1 and extend this match. Yan ang abangan natin dito. Bayoka. One hand set. Miscommunication na gawa ng paraan dito ni Suwayan. Bayoka setting up jersey number 6. Desalisa, and it touches the floor, so the point will go on the side of Team Sorsogon. Bayoka to serve.
Galvo with a good receive. Suwayan, nagawa ng paraan doon through the hands of the blockers of the Sorsogon.
Successful on that attack coming from Suwayan. And now Abundo on deck to serve. One hand set to Desalisa. No one gets that second ball. So the point will go on the side of Magharaw Power Spiker. Abundo again to serve. Ball still alive. Bayoka back set to Alamo. And Azur with the net touch. Sayang yon on the side of their team. So the point will go on the side of TGCB Sorsogon. Desalisa to serve. Gahero setting up Azur. Bantay sarado ng blockers on the side of TGCB Sorsogon, Alamo and Espanyo. Tag team on that block. Desalisa. Bayoka back set to Alamo and back-to-back net violation on the side of Magharaw. Sayang to on the side of their team because binibigyan nila dito ng free point ang kanilang kalaban. 5-2 is our score. Desalisa with that service ace. Back-to-back points on the side of their team. Wow. Yung Sorsogon dala-dala pa rin dito yung momentum coming from that set number 1 up until set number 2. So let's see what would be the adjustment on the side of Team Magharaw for them to slowly but surely cut the lead and momentum on the side of their opponent. Azur will try. And malakas ang attacking yon on the side of Magharaw. And a timeout was called on the side of their team.
And pakinggan naman natin ang updates kung ano yung adjustment na gagawin nila dito sa Sorsogon with our courtside reporter Dylan Talagtag. Take it away.
Ayan, babalikan natin dito ang ating courtside reporter na si Dylan to give us an update on the side of Team Sorsogon. Now, Dylan, anong update on the side of your team?
Errors, the team remained calm and managed to continue getting points. Coach Reynald reminded each members to give their all and focus to their goal is to win the matchup straight 3 sets at nagbunga nga ang kanilang strategy resulting in winning the first set. Ngayon, aabangan natin kung makukontinue nga ng Team Sorsogon ang kanilang momentum. Tutok lang dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Eugene.
Thank you, Dylan, for the updates on the side of Sorsogon. And sabi nga ni Coach, they will adjust for this to cope up for the scores in this OVL. But this, jersey number 10, pinasa kay Espanyo, pero it short felt on the middle. On deck to serve jersey number 4 on the side of Magarao.
Ayan, let's see kung magiging maganda ba dito yung ipapakita pa ng Sorsogon at gusto nga nilang makuha dito ang kanilang unang panalo. Harenyo, back on their side, Flestado, setting up Alamo, Gahero. Napakinggan dito ng depensa on the side of both teams, but this time, Harenyo getting a point on that touch on the side of their team.
Pakinggan naman natin ang update sa side ng Magarao Power Spikers kung ano din yung adjustment nila galing kay Coach 𝐾𝐍, our courtside reporter. Take it away.
The game ended with Sorsogon having the favor with the score 21-25. Napakagandang laban nga ang ipinakita ng dalawang koponan, Rick and Eugene. Parehong nagpapamalas ng kanilang galing at lakas. The Magarao Power Spikers showed their offensive firepower with powerful spikes and solid serves. Ngunit medyo nagkulang pa rin with TGCB Sorsogon's floor defense and coverage. Nevertheless, they can still improve their gameplay ngayong second set to match or even outweigh the intensity of their opponent. Now, let's see how this set would turn out for the team. Kaya tutok lamang dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much, Casey, for that update on the side of Team Magarao Power Spikers. So, knowing yung kanilang ipinakitang performance on their first set, talagang kayang-kaya dito makipagsabayan ng kanilang kupunan kontra Sorsogon. And yun nga ang gagawin nila dito, the adjustment, the efficient attack and defense on their side para makuha nila ang set na ito. Yan ang aabangan natin dito. But on that last sequence, jersey number 7, Harenyo, sunod-sunod dito yung puntos para dito sa kanilang kupunan na TGCB Sorsogon. Napakaganda ng ipinapakita nitong performance para sa kanilang kupunan. Talagang atake kung atake. Gahero setting up Abundo, too strong on that swipe. It doesn't touch any hands of the blocker, so the point again will go on the side of Sorsogon. Wow, coming from that scramble play, nakakuha pa rin dito ng puntos ang side ng Sorsogon. Score update 13-6. Again, abante pa rin dito ang kupunan on the side of Sorsogon. Pason setting up Abundo, and Abundo with his left hand successful on that cross-court hit. So, great side out on the side of Magarao Power Spiker. And now jersey number 23, Rodriguez on deck to serve. And chance on the side of their team to score. Great defense from Alamo, and the medal na bantayan dito ng Team Magarao. Gahero will give up a free ball on the side of Sorsogon. Bayoka to his middle with that soft touch, and successfully done para dito sa Team Sorsogon, jersey number 20 Mesa. Wow, Team Sorsogon talagang nagpapasiklab at mainit na mainit dito sa loob ng court at sa pagbubukas ng first ever season ng Oragon Volleyball League.
UJ Tagataram.
Now, Yuji, ano yung napapansin mo dito on the side of Team Magarao? Because on their first set, talagang nakita natin dito na dikit talaga yung kanilang score. So, ano ba yung magandang adjustment dito at nakikita mong dapat nilang baguhin para makakuha ng magandang momentum?
I think nakita ko dito yung communications, kailangan nilang ma-execute, especially the composures of our athletes, our player here in this Magarao, kasi masyado silang gigil talaga dito, and para maging relax din sila at may points. Of course, every points that they have, they need to be composed as a team. Kailangan nila makapag-communicate sa mga players and of course sa setters.
Ayan yan ang aabangan natin dito on the side of Magarao, but unfortunately no one gets that first ball on the side of their team. So services para dito kay Bayoka on the side of Team Sorsogon, and it doesn't help on the side of Team Magarao yung kanilang miscommunication because at this moment sila yung naghahabol, but Bayoka straight to the net on that serve. So great side out on the Team Magarao Power Spiker. So this is their chance to make some changes on their defense and attack efficiency if they want to cut the lead na hawak dito ng Sorsogon. Abundo with that serve, Flestado to Bayoka in the middle, Alamo. Wow, tusok na tusok dito yung kanyang spike on that last sequence. Umatake dito sa zone 3 and walang nakakuha on the side of Team Magarao. Napakaganda ng connection ditong players ng ating Sorsogon, because again nga doon sa interview a while ago to their head coach, talagang itong Sorsogon ilang years nang magkakasama para dito sa kanilang volleyball team. So I'm sure the connection is there, the power is there, and of course the memories and the experience are there on their side. So this is a great venue para mapatatag pa yung years of improvement nitong ating Team Sorsogon. Meanwhile, on the other side of things, Team Magarao, we know that this team is composition of both veterans and student athlete players. So meron pa ditong confusion when it comes to communication. But again, according to their head coach, talagang na-work out at kailangan pang i-work out dito yung kanilang communication inside the court, because yung kanilang mga players is magagaling at kilala sa kanilang municipality when it comes to volleyball games. So let's see kung anong adjustment ang gagawin dito ng Team Magarao. And a timeout was called on the side of Team Magarao. So let's see kung anong gagawin ditong adjustment on their side, because this TGCB Sorsogon talagang umaariba na dito sa ating scoreboard. 19-10 is our score. Medyo lumalaki na yung dapat habulin on the side of their team. So let's see after this timeout what is the adjustment on their side to cut the lead na hawak dito ng ating Sorsogon. And on the team of Sorsogon naman, they need consistency if they want to finish the set number 2 with great confidence and great morale. Now, back to the ball game. Gahero, back set to Suwayan, denied at the net. Galvo setting up Abundo, pipe attack, ball is still alive. And now jersey number 1, too strong on that attack. Estabaya unsuccessful on that cross-court attempt. So this is a great side out on the side of Team Magarao after the timeout called on their side. Mababa yung set ni Dob. So hindi ito nagawa ng paraan ni Mesa. So back-to-back points on the side of Magarao. This is a great opportunity on their side to continue getting a point. Suwayan with that dig, Abundo, pipe attack, at sumabit nga sa net dito si Mesa on the side of Sorsogon. So 3 straight points on the side of Magarao, looking good after the timeout called on the side of their team. Great dig coming from Galvo. Gajero setting up his teammate, jersey number 14. At the back, Abundo, soft touch, andon si Dob. Esplatado to Alamo. Wow, great defense. Suwayan, pipe attack, great dig. And Alamo, back-to-back defense on the side of their team. And jersey number 14, San Andres, successfully on that last attempt using the hands of the blocker.
Both teams are heating up, mga pa-defense man and offense. There are full intensity na nagpapakita. Both koponan or bawat koponan hindi nagpapatalo dito sa laban na ito for this set 2. And makikita natin dito 14-19 and grabe ang hahabulin ng Magarao para maka-cope up sila with Sorsogon. And again, jersey number 6 with the serves.
Now 20-14 is our score. Alamo on deck to serve. So we have a substitution on the side of Team Magarao Power Spiker to create new plays para dito sa kanilang kupunan and to settle things out para paunti-unting makuha dito yung rhythm ng players on the side of their team. So let's see after the substitution kung magkakaroon ba ng changes itong play on the side of Magarao. Alamo to serve. Free ball will be given on the side of Sorsogon. Ball is still alive. Dob to Mesa. Boy pa rin ang bola. San Andres denied at the net. Dob with that 1-2 play and too strong on that para dito kay Dob. So the point will go on the side of Team Magarao. (20-15) is our score. And a service ace para dito sa Team Magarao. And this time, 4 na puntos na lamang dito ang gagawin or paghabol ng ating Team Magarao for them to tie this matchup. 16 serving 20. Great serve. Dob to Mesa. Galvo was there. Good intention but napalakas dito yung 1-2 play para dito sa ating Team Magarao. Courtesy of jersey number 8, Santos. Great serve. Santos setting up his teammate. And Abundo getting a score on that hit. Great serve. Mesa. No good on that attack. Napalakas dito yung palo ni Mesa on the side of Team Sorsogon. And timeout was called. Score update. 21-18 in favor on the side of Team Sorsogon. So mamaya po natin ang natitirang matches dito sa ating opening day ng Oragon Volleyball League only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. After this match, we have the Unc Greyhounds versus the Suyan Baao, and right after that match, we have the NCF Tigers versus Ateneo Golden Knights or Ateneo Volleyball Team. Back to the ball game. Net violation was called on the side of Sorsogon courtesy of Mesa, so the point conversion will go on the side of Team Magarao. 19-21 is our score. Dob setting up his teammate, andon si Santos. Apolinar setting up Abundo, soft touch and successful. Nakita yung donut hole on the side of TGCV Sorsogon, and back-to-back straight points on the side of Team Magarao. Ito na ata yung hinahanap ng team ng Magarao, yung sunod-sunod na puntos and momentum na nabibuild on their side. So they really need to stay consistent at this moment if they want to snatch this set number 2. Great serve. Free ball ang ibibigay ni Hareño. Santos in the middle. Apolinar successfully done on that quick hit. And with that, we are tied up at 21. Again, dikit na naman po tayo sa ating scoreboard para dito sa ating pangalawang set. Again, nag-iinit ang dalawang kupunan, but unfortunately, service error para dito kay jersey number 11.
Speaking of heating up, masyadong napapalakas na dito ang palo ng mga players. Masyado na silang gigil. And by this time, we will see on this kung paano nila i-adjust yung sarili nila and compose, knowing na 21-22 din na din ang score, and grabe din yung hinabol ng Magarao Power Spikers. And by this, jersey number 3 on the side of Sorsogon on deck to serve.
Ombrog, great serve. Galvo setting up at the back. His teammate, boy pa rin ang bola. Desalisa will give up a free ball. Santos on his attacker, and Abundo. Napakaganda ng ipinapakita ditong performance on the side of Team Magarao, tying this matchup at 22. Now, another substitution on their side. Gahero back on court together with Suwayan. So, minimake sure dito ng kanilang head coach yung panapos para sa kanilang kupunan, knowing that Suwayan-Gahero connection was very successful on that first set. So, let's see kung magiging effective ba dito ang substitution on their side. Gahero with that serve. Hareño getting that one. Desalisa breaks down the wall. 23-22 is our score. So again, if you're on the side of Team Magarao, you cannot afford to commit an error at this moment. You need an effective and successful attack on their side. Gahero setting up Abundo. Ball is still alive. Bayoka setting up Desalisa. Great dig coming from Galvo. Back on the side of Sorsogon. Back set to Alamo, and Alamo successful on that cross-court hit. Wow. Sorsogon on the set point at this moment. 24-22. One more point to end this set. Bayoka. Galvo. Napalakas. Apolinar. Setting up Abundo with that free ball. Bayoka. Back set to Alamo, and a great rejection. So that's the end of our set. number 2, walang nakuwang touch dito ang side ng Team Magarao. So, 2 straight set goes on the side of TGCB Sorsogon. 1 more set para makuha ang kanilang unang panalo. And on the other side of things, Team Magarao Power Spiker, they need to double their effort if they want to win a set in this match. We will be right back after this short break, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng Mga Kampiyon.
Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng Mga Kampiyon, and Oragon Basketball League present OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magarao Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, TGCB Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, Arriba Iriga, Tiger Men's Volleyball, PMC Health Defenders, Suyan Baao Volleyball Club, OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel. Powered by PLDT. Presented by DLP Printing Services, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Safe Gas Station, Daily Gold Philippines, Cancer Eye Center, Uma Hotel Plus Residences, Agana Glass, Naga Optical, Kanakman Vice Mayor JJ Abante, University of Santo Tomas Legazpi, AD Sportswear and Apparel, Universidad de Santa Isabel, Respol Dental Clinic, Hardshed Hardware and Construction Supply, BCC Lloyd Supermart, Massive Builders System Incorporated, Carmelos, Just Brew, AAT Ads, Jag Sportswear and Residences.
Kung ano yung nagigit. And we are back here sa loob ng ating venue, Holy Rosary Minor Seminary, for our game number 2 sa opening day ng Oragon Volleyball League Season 1. Again, matchup between the TGCB Sorsogon versus the Team Magarao Power Spiker. Nakuha nga dito ng ating Team Sorsogon ang 2 sets para dito sa kanilang match against Magarao. So let's see, this is a challenge on the side of Team Magarao on how they will adjust and get a set para dito sa kanilang match and extend this match into set number 5. Yan ang aabangan natin because we know na kung paano din itong lumaban itong ating Magarao Power Spiker. So yan ang aabangan natin dito sa ating pangatlong set. Suwayan will try and Suwayan will score. First point on the side of Team Magarao Power Spiker. So this is a great start on their team getting the first point para dito sa pangatlong set.
On this third set, we will see on how they will adjust as a team kasi nga kanina yung Magarao nakaka-cope up na sana sila nakakasunod but they felt short. But this time, we will see who will make a stronger statement for this historic opening for this set 3. At ayun na nga, nagpakita ng puntos ang Magarao Powerhouse Spiker.
So the point will go on the side of Sorsogon. 1 point apiece para dito sa ating pangatlong set. And now, De Los Santos setting up his spiker, jersey number 14. Boy pa rin ang bola. And an off the block hit para dito sa side ng Sorsogon, courtesy of jersey number 1, Estabaya. 2-1 is our score. De Los Santos setting up Suwayan. And again, Suwayan. Very effective player on the side of Team Magarao with a down the line hit. Kitang-kita dito yung eagerness ni Suwayan na ma-extend itong match para sa kanilang koponan. 2-all.
We will hear an update on the side of Magarao Power Spikers. Let's hear an update on the side KC Antokya. Anong update dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Eugene. We are now down on our third set of the game. The intensity of the match is still on between the Sorsogon and Magarao. May mga naging errors ang Magarao Power Spikers during that last set, gaya na lamang ng net touch Ngunit agad din naman nila itong nabawi through stronger attacks and better floor defense. Coach Rachel reminded them na huwag papabayaan ang bola so that they can maintain their coverage and transition quickly from defense to offense, turning every good receive into an opportunity to score. Abangan natin kung maaagaw ba ng Magarao Power Spikers ang momentum and win this third set against the TGCB Sorsogon. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you, 𝐏𝐍 Antokya, for that update on the side of Magarao Power Spikers. Sabi mo nga kanina, sabi ni Coach, huwag papabayaan ang bola para magkaroon ng points and momentum on this third sets, and yun yung sagot nila para ipanalo tong set na ito. Masyadong napalakas yung receive ni jersey number 9.
And now, point conversion on the side of Team Sorsogon. 4-3 is our score. And a miscommunication on the side of Team Magarao. So 6-3 is our score in favor on the side of their team.
And by this time, Esplana on the service line. What a good serve. Jersey number 26, good receive. Ginawa ng paraan ni jersey number 14.
And to hear an update on the side of Team Sorsogon, let's call our courtside reporter Dylan. Dylan, ano update on your side?
In the second set, the Team Sorsogon continues to play with their heart out and stayed focused in getting points. It is their goal na wag umuwing luhaan at magbigay ng angking galing na meron ang kanilang team. Isa nga sa bitbit ng team ang pagiging optimistic. Despite of committing some errors, they still managed to play harder inside the court. They reminded each other to just relax and remember that they are representing the land of Sorsogon. Payo ni Coach sa team na wag hayaang maputol ang momentum at naipanalo nga nila ang kanilang set, ang second set, with their perseverance and optimism. Will there arise from this matchup ang maipapanalo pa ng Magarao ang second set? Yan ang pakatutukan natin dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you, Dylan, for the updates on the side of Sorsogon. Sabi nga ni Coach, and sabi mo, optimistic. Optimistic, kailangan nila to kasi masyado na silang gigil and masyado na silang nadadala sa larong ito, and they need to be composed as a team, and kailangan nilang ma-systemize yung communications nila para magkaroon ng points. And by these times, Esplana on the serves, and by that, service error.
Another conversion on the side of Magarao with that 3-point, and now back-to-back error ang ibibigay ng Sorsogon on the side of Team Magarao. So this is great sign on the side of Magarao. They need to take advantage on that lapses na nagagawa on the side of Sorsogon, and now Azur to serve.
Drop ball on the side of Sorsogon, pero nakita yon ng Magarao, and by this jersey number 1, Azur, and in the middle on the Sorsogon side, a quick hit and powerful spike by jersey number 1.
Now Sorsogon on deck to serve is Tabaya. So Ryan receives that one. De Los Santos, hindi na nagawa ng paraan yung kanyang setup. That's why Team Sorsogon, another point on their side. $5-10 is our score. De Los Santos to Abundo. Great rejection para dito sa Sorsogon to add their score and lead para dito sa ating pangatlong set. 11-5 is our score. Napakaganda ng ipinapakita ulit dito ng Sorsogon. De Los Santos, pababawin si Abundo. Mababa yung set pero nakakuha ng puntos. Finding a spot on the side of Sorsogon. Abundo successful on that last sequence.
Rodriguez with the serve. Good serve. And jersey number 3, what a powerful spike. And answer by Ombrog sa side ng Sorsogon.
Catching the end line. Smart move on the side of their team. And now jersey number 15 is Kera on deck to serve. De Los Santos. And a great setup para dito kay Apolinar and converting a point para sa Team Magarao Power Spiker. So ito yung kailangan dito ng Team Magarao. Those powerful attacks na talaga namang makakabigay ng puntos sa kanilang kupunan. 12-7 is our score. Set up in the middle. And back-to-back points on the side of Team Magarao. Net violation was called on the side of Sorsogon on that last play. Free ball para dito sa Team Magarao. Abundo. Balik ang bola. Bayoka to jersey number 3. Ball is still alive. Esplana. What a smart hit coming from him. Wow. I thought malakas yung attack on that pipe attack para dito kay Esplana, but nakita niyang walang depensa on that first row on the side of this Team Magarao. So, nakakuha ulit dito ng puntos itong kanilang kupunan coming from that broken play, miscommunication on the side of the Team Magarao Power Spiker with their setter and middle blocker. And this time, service ace ang papakawala ng ating Team Sorsogon. Depensa naman ngayon, medyo nahihirapan i-work out ang Magarao Power Spiker. So, let's see kung makaka-adjust ba sila at makakabawi from their errors. So, Wayan, unsuccessful na palakas yung attack on the side of their team. So again, they need to minimize their error if they want to cut the momentum na hawak-hawak ng Sorsogon coming from that first set up until this third set. Talagang hindi binibitawan dito ng Sorsogon ang magandang momentum. Now, hindi na naitawid outside the antenna para dito sa kanilang kupunan. So, great free point on the side of Team Magarao. Chance for them to add their score here with Abundo to serve. And on that zone 1, lumapag ang bola. That's why Team Magarao back-to-back points for them.
Ombrog again on the service line.
So that ball, Team Magarao to serve.
Ombrog again with a service ace. What a service. What a serve rather on the side of Magarao. It was a short serve. Pinabitan nila ang Sorsogon dito. And the score is 16-11. And kailangan dito ng Magarao to minimize their errors to have a good score and points. And para rin makasunod sa Sorsogon.
Too much angle on that down the line hit. 16-12 is our score. Ito na naman ang ating Magarao. Catching up para dito sa ating third set. They need to be consistent if they want to tie this matchup. Another short serve, but this time, Esplana, it doesn't cross the net. 4 touches violation was called on their side. 3 straight points will go on the side of Team Magarao. 13-16, 3 more points to tie this matchup.
Ambrog again on the side of Magarao serving. And jersey number 3 on the side of Sorsogon. Regalo.
Ball is still alive, but
A miscommunications aside
yes,
na Magarao between Suwayan and jersey number 3.
now Sorsogon to serve. Ombrog. De Los Santos, one-hand set to Apolinar. And the point will go on the side of their team. They need to maximize their middle blocker because according to their head coach, Apolinar is a great veteran player. So they need to maximize their middle blocker at gawa ng paraan dito ng setter na ma-distribute ng maganda yung bola for them to have a score and point on their side. But on that last sequence, De Los Santos couldn't handle that one, so the point will go on the side of Team Sorsogon. Españo to serve on the side of Sorsogon. So Wayan receives that one. And an attack error on the side of Team Magarao, courtesy of Azur. It doesn't help their team. 19-14 is our score.
España again on deck to serve on the side of Sorsogon. And I just want to clarify that jersey number 3 on the side of Magarao is Abundo. Great rejections on the side of Sorsogon by jersey number 9, Esplana, and again, jersey number 15, Esquera. Masyadong napalakas yung receive doon ng Magarao, and a powerful answer by Esquera sa middle. And the score is 21-14, and napatawag ng timeout dito ang Magarao Power Spikers. And we will see later kung ano yung adjustment ni coach dito sa Magarao Spikers, kung ano yung gagawin nila to have a sunod-sunod na puntos dito.
And we would like to thank our sponsors. We have PLDT, Hardshed, NCF, Naga College Foundation, Lemon Residences, Camsur Eye Center located at Santo Domingo, Nabua, Camarines Plaza, America, Naga City, and Digital Graphics, and also Claypot. Thank you so much po for your support para dito sa ating OVL Season 1. And now back to the ball game, jersey number 4 to serve. De Los Santos, back set to Suwayan, adjusting on that set. Bayoka, and a great rejection from Suwayan to Estabaya. Napakagandang block ang ginawa dito ni Suwayan. They really need to get a point at this moment. And a couple of substitution on the side of Power Spiker. Cajero and Opiniano. Ibabalik dito sa loob ng court. Cajero to serve. And a net violation. Crucial net violation by Opiniano on the side of Team Magarao. 22-15 is our score. Team Sorsogon looking for a sweep para sa kanilang unang match para din sa ating liga. While still alive, Abundo straight to the net attack. So with that, 23-15 na po ang ating score. 2 more points on the side of Team Sorsogon to finally get their first win para dito sa ating OVL Season 1.
On this time, on the Magarao side, kailangan nilang i-minimize yung errors nila to have a good score because, again, the score is 23-15 and they need to have a good adjustment. And by that, we are seeing on the screen a running attack by jersey number 1 on the side of Sorsogon Estabaya. What a running attack for this team.
And now,
On
match
deck to
point.
serve. On the match point, Esplana, jersey number 9 on the side of Sorsogon. What a great serve by Esplana and Gajero to jersey number 1. Pero ayun, hindi pa rin natitigil dito, sabi ni jersey number 1 ni Azur na andito pa kami, hindi kami magpapatalo. And by this time, Azur on deck to serve sa side naman na Magarao. And the score is 15-24. What a short serve. And again, through the hands of the Magarao. And dyan magtatapos ang set na ito. Set 3 nakuha ngayon ng Sorsogon TGBC. Ang set or play na ito.
So great game para dito sa ating TGCB Sorsogon, getting their first win para sa OBL Season 1. And I'm sure babawi dito ang ating team Magarao Power Spiker for their next matches. Talagang abangan natin dito ang iba't ibang teams sa ating OVL Season 1. And don't go away because when we come back, makikilala natin ang ating best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng Mga Kampiyon.
Tanga diri ko nababay na GNN TV48 Naga.
Kalma! Lumipat lang ang GNN TV48 Naga sa Channel 48.1.
What?
Direk, ang simple lang ng solusyon dyan. Kunin ang remote, pumunta sa menu Setup o Settings, at hanapin at pindutin ang scan at hintayin. Then, boom! Balik na si GNN sa Channel 48 mo. Para sa mga balitang nangunguna at napapanahon,
At sa mga programang suwak sa panlasa mo.
tutok lang sa GNN TV48 Naga, Bida ang Bicolano!
The future is a race. At Naga College Foundation, we don't just keep up. We set the pace and we change the game. College of Business, where compassion meets innovation. Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng Mga Kampiyon. Just Brew. Claypot Restaurant and Cafe. Bad Guys. Chicken Run Boneless Fried Chicken. Motomo TV.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
It is indeed that the Sorsogueños are not willing to lose and they're not afraid in taking risks, especially inside the court. With their optimism, they succeed their first matchup for this season. At ngayon makakasama natin live na live ang best player of the game from the team of Sorsogon with the 10 attacks, 2 blocks, and 12 points. We have here Paul Hareño. So, magandang araw, sir. So, Ano po ba yung naging mindset mo for winning this matchup?
As a team captain po, nire-remind ko lang po yung mga teammates ko na mag-ingay sa court kasi hindi ito individual, kundi it is a team effort. So kailangan lahat nag-iingay para lahat mag-contribute sa laro po.
So sir, meron ka bang message sa lahat ng sumuporta at patuloy na susuporta sa Team Sorsogon?
So ayun po, sa lahat po ng nagsuporta at patuloy na sumusuporta sa Team TGCB Sorsogon, maraming salamat po at sana po patuloy niyo po kaming suportahan sa mga susunod po naming laro.
Thank you sir, and congratulations. And there you have it guys, the Sorsogueños are ready to step up and bring the pride for their team. Once again, I am Dylan Valenciano Talagtag, reporting on the side of TGCB Volleyball Sorsogon.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
And that's it. Welcome back for the first ever season of Oragon Volleyball League. Congratulations to Sorsogon GBC teams are proving that even as newcomers, they can deliver high-level volleyball. Every point matters, every rally counts, and they know that this is their chance to introduce themselves to the OVL crowd partner.
Talagang pinakitaan tayo dito ng magandang volleyball match between Damagaraw and Sorsogon, and of course may nananalo, may natatalo, and congratulations again on the side of Team Sorsogon for winning their first match dito sa ating OVL Season 1, and I'm sure babawi dito ang ating Magaraw Spikers. So let's see sa different matches dito sa OVL Season 1. Again, my name is Rick Puerta.
And I am Eugene Weba. This has been, and you've been watching the Oragon Volleyball League, where new legends are made.
Ayan, at abangan natin ang iba't ibang games pa dito sa ating OVL Season 1 maya-maya, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampyon.
Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampyon, and Oragon Basketball League present OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magaraw Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, TGCB Volleyball Sorsogon, Unc Greyhounds, Arriba Iriga, Tiger Men's Volleyball, PMC Health Defenders, Suyan Baao Volleyball Club, OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel. Powered by PLDT. Presented by DLP Printing Services, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Safe Gas Station, Daily Gold Philippines, Cancer Eye Center, Uma Hotel Plus Residences, Agala Glass, Naga Optical, Kanakman Valley, Locust Construction and Supply and Residences.